Hey, David here. Out early with Daniel, and we're gonna do some more testing. I've got the GPSHomer set up, and with the early morning light, it should be really visible in the display, but we're gonna give it another test. I've made some changes to it, the way it tracks the GPS. We'll take a look at it today. Here it is. This is the GPSHomer. I'm doing a different GPS that actually has a faster refresh. 10 Hertz refresh instead of the 1. Just the updates to the software, and we're gonna send it and see how it goes.
Welcome to Edge TX. Switch warning disarmed. Landing mode on.
All right. Here we go. Looks like it's 0 feet on the home. We got 12 satellites. All right, we're armed and ready to go. All right, I'm up. Okay, it's showing me home right behind me. Perfect. Wow, and the refresh rate on the display is way better with this GPS. So this is the M100. It has a 10 Hertz refresh rate, and so the home position, as you see, is way smoother on the refresh. And the number across the top is distance from home. I'm circling around us. I'm at about 80 feet. Where are you at?
Right above you. Diving.
Okay.
Dive bombing. Behind you now.
Oh, I see you. Okay. I see you on my tail.
Minutes.
Ha. Do you want me to follow you? Let me track you. I'm going to come back around. I'm above you. Slightly. Oh, beautiful.
The earth pulls back like a half-spoken thought, soft at the edges, lost in fire. Below the world is a postcard blur, fading at the corners like something we once were. I don't know where I'm going, but it feels like I've been here before. In a dream,
okay. I'm off your right wing. Okay, I'm trying to slow down a little bit more, but
the sun hangs low like a lantern of thread. The sky hung soft like a line never said. Mountains unfold like pages mid-turn.
yeah, the home is working perfect. This is the GPSHomer. It's showing my distance from home, and home is directly behind us. And you can see the distance from home refreshing quickly.
6 minutes.
It says I think it says we're going 17 miles an hour. See Daniel's slow stick up there ahead of us, slightly to my right and below. We got a headwind here, which is good because coming back is going to be fast. So you're pretty low, buddy.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm above you quite a bit. Do you have any telemetry information?
No, I just have my battery low.
Oh, okay.
minutes.
Okay, you just passed me out your altitude. My link quality is solid. RC link.
Yeah. You're using LRS?
So the ground speed coming back is about 23 miles an hour. And the home is directly ahead of me. Now you can see the home drift on the outside edge on that ring. You can see the home is up on the to my slight left, and it's showing slight left on the display. Yeah, it's a little windier than I like for the slow stick. Yeah, I'm really happy with this GPS. The refresh and how smooth it is on the update on the screen. I knew the screen was updating really fast, but the GPS wasn't updating very quickly. And getting the M100 or the M10 was a huge benefit. And it's a little cheaper than the VN220, so. Landing. Nice. Right on home, almost. We took off. Perfect. Okay, so we're gonna flip the switch to see the summary. There we go. Max distance, 1 point, I think it's a 2.8. Miles per hour, 33. Total distance traveled of 4.3 miles or 4.2 miles. Time 13 minutes. Average speed, awesome. Thanks for joining me for the update on the GPSHomer. I plan to have that shared pretty soon here, if not by the time this video comes up very soon. I think that project is pretty well at a point where it can be released. I may make the circuit board available if you want to make one of these, and make it really easy to source the parts and to load the firmware. As always, just get out there and fly.